What's up? What pop? It's your girl Yana, and welcome back to Emiliana Designs. This is where we learn all things Procreate, coloring pages, Pinterest, digital planning, and decor. Alright guys, so I want to show you guys GoodNotes in my digital planner. Okay? So let's find it, guys. Here it is. It's GoodNotes. I am very, 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 very new to digital planning. Very new. But I understand the concept because I'm a digital person. All of my art is pretty much digital. Pretty much. I just like technology and art. So, here is my planner. I put the sticker on here. This digital sticker. It's really a digital picture, not a digital sticker. So you can use pictures instead of stickers because that way it'll save you money. Also, if you're new to digital planning, guys, like I am, digital planning saves you money than for you to buy a planner every year. And I have the undated planner to where you can, switch out the days, switch out the numbers and months. But yes, it does take you longer to plan it out, but you save money. So it's either you save time or you save money. Which would you rather? The next page here, just slide it over. I bought mine from the Planners Collective, the pink one. And I bought it off of Etsy. I bought this one because it was reasonably priced. This was priced at $11.28 versus some of them are like $30 and $20, but I thought $11.28 was a pretty good price. So let's go to the next page here. So this was back in December actually, so I kind of used it a little early. You can always add in pages. It doesn't have to be exactly how the creator made it. You can take away pages and you can add pages. So here's where I kept track of like what did I buy from where, all of that, and when I got paid and stuff like that. That was back in December. And this was as well. Okay, and then here was me planning my month of December. I wrote with the money because that's letting me know what I got paid and when I got paid. The luxury Louis Vuitton handbags are when I go to work because I actually sell luxury handbags as my job. I have the flowers. Those are the days that I have off from work. This here means grocery shopping. This means I'm going to the library. I'm like an avid library goer, like I just am. This is when I put this detergent here so when I have to wash clothes, I put like a due date. I also put like the time that I'm at work. Different little things to remind myself. YouTube promo. Also have like YouTube of when I'm uploading. So I have YouTube when the videos are apparent. So for me, now that I have 2 channels, if you guys did not know, my first original channel is Sincerely Yana. And that's where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. And then this YouTube channel, Emiliana Designs, is me designing everything. So on Tuesdays, I do Emiliana channel uploads. And on Fridays, I do Sincerely Yana uploads. Okay? So that's how I'm going to be splitting up the 2. Yeah, that's how I did December. So then here, there's a section for a to-do list of, things that I wanted to get done back in December. Okay, and this was my video strategy that I made up for like when I'm supposed to upload and stuff, like the behind the scenes. So my yearly goals, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To sum it all up, my priorities in 2020 are health, wealth, God, and love. Those are my top priorities for 2020, okay? To sum it all up. Okay, so my goal is to pay off the loan because I went to school to be a nail technician and I have to pay that back. So then also here, as you guys know, I have my own coloring book and I launched it the ending of 2019. And I want to sell 25 copies of Align by Design each month. Also here I have YouTube. And I broke it down like on this side, like how I would achieve it. I said I want 5,000 subscribers for 2020. I don't mind if it's spend more time with God and my health. So I have put, it says make your mental health a priority. Scriptures of the day, listen to the word, pray thoroughly, show gratitude, drink water / veggies, checkups, and consistent medication. I'm like really bad at taking my pills that I'm supposed to take. So I'm trying to do like hobbies outside the home. My hobbies all consist of design, so it's like I don't really have to leave the house to do design. So, but I need to like network and all that other type stuff. So I need to find activities outside the house. And then also my last one is more income streams. So I'm trying to find other avenues of income to put behind me besides my coloring book. And of course I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. Oh, right here I've written like different ideas I had for Sincerely Yana and Emiliana Design. February, that's when you'll get my Sincerely Yana, where I start talking about like dating and avoiding situationships, like my talk and sit down videos. If you guys want to actually see me, you guys might want to be subscribed to Sincerely Yana, because in this channel, I'm behind the camera, okay? I'm behind in designing. Okay, and then I was getting ready to do January plan with me. So that's going to be a separate video if you guys want to see me actually plan out January. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on digital planning, leave them in the comment section below. I'll see y'all in my next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Designs. Align by Design coloring book made by yours truly. A coloring book made for women to get back to their opinions, needs, and dreams. Available on Amazon.